Hello, today we are going to learn about absolute path and relative path. Actually, absolute path is the complete path of a file name such as kvc.txt. So this is the complete path of this file name. Whereas relative path is always taken with respect to current working directory. So how we can get this absolute path? We can have absolute path with property. So this is the absolute path of this file kvc.txt. Now how can we know about current working directory? For that we have to go in Python shell, write import os, then write os dot get cwd. This will give the current working directory. So in this way, absolute path is the complete path of a text file, whereas relative path is always taken from with respect to current working directory. Okay, so current working directory plus relative path will be the absolute path. CWD means current working directory. Now our next topic is how we can modify text in a text file. Suppose our aim is to replace every two with in a text file kvc.txt. So we have taken kvc.txt in read mode, and we have taken a temporary file in write mode. Now what we have done, we have taken each and every line of kvc.txt and replace each and every line with having to with in, right, and overall result will save in text. Now our next step will be to write the result in temporary file. Next step is to remove the temporary file, right, and to rename the temporary file with the original file, and in this way the file content will be modified. So what we have done, हमने एक ओरिजिनल फाइल ली रीड मोड में एंड टेम्परेरी फाइल इन राइट मोड, राइट। ओरिजिनल फाइल के सारे कंटेंट्स रीड किए और टू को इनसे रिप्लेस किया और सारे कंटेंट्स टेम्परेरी फाइल में डाले, and we have removed temporary file and rename the temporary file with original file, and in this way all the contents will be in modified contents will be in original file. Here you can see remove and rename functions. These are defined under OS module, so we have to import OS before using remove and rename functions. So these are the steps how we can modify contents of a text file.